Hey, welcome back, guys. Gonna make some biscuits and gravy for breakfast. Hopefully the girls don't run downstairs really fast and mess us up. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna start with a couple of cups, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I hate doing this in 1 cup. It's actually a tablespoon of sugar, so it is what it is. So that's 3 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon. Okay, tablespoon of sugar. I'm looking at my recipe. I don't make this often. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of salt. And oh, they just all woke up. And I'm running downstairs. 1 stick of butter. Alright, so let's mix this up the dry first before we start adding the wet. There's something to mix with. Now we're going to add 1 stick of butter cubed. 1 stick of butter cubed up. And what you do is you get in there with your hands and you crumble the butter into the flour. Yeah, honey. The camera.
Oh.
This is why I don't make too many videos. Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
I'm going to add milk. Get my hand in there and mix it up. That was 3/4 of a cup of milk.
Then after of the mixing, you're gonna add the bananas after all the mixing.
After all the mixing, what am I going to do?
The banana then.
Yeah, I'm going to make some biscuits.
Yes, the banana bread.
Oh, you want to make banana bread?
What are we making?
Right now I'm making biscuits. So we're going to get this and we're going to put it on the right here.
Okay.
I'm going to mix it all up.
But I just need some of my toys.
You can put your toys.
Okay.
So, there you go. This is why I don't make too many videos right there. I was hoping to get this done before everybody got up, but I got up so the whole world wakes up. Alright. Now we're going to knead this up a little bit. You got to get all that butter in there. Alright, now we need a little more flour. So this is really, they call this a quick bread because you can make them really quick. They only take a few minutes to bake. They're really quick to cut and do everything else. So let me get a pan to get these going. And my daughter's over there playing in the other room. I'm going to cook these in a cast iron pan, so let me get that. Just need to get some butter. And smear it in the bottom of the cast iron pan. Like that. And that's ready to go. These biscuits are about ready to go. That's kind of big. Let's cut them smaller than that. Just use any old cup. What I use anyway. And just lay them out in the pan. Can probably get 1 more out of this. I'm just going to hand form the last one. It's going to be kind of small. And there we go. There's the biscuits right there. I'm going to get them in the oven. It's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes for these to bake at 350. So this is what you're going to need for the sausage gravy. You're going to need some bacon fat, some pre-cooked sausage. So I just suggest you put them in a pan and boil them up. These are just length breakfast sausage. A couple of cups of milk and some flour, salt and pepper, and a little Tabasco, or whatever spice sauce you like. I make my own, so here's my spice sauce. I make it. So we'll get to that in just a second. So in a medium saucepan, you want about 2 tablespoons of bacon fat. So that's going to be the base. You're going to be making a roux with bacon fat, making a kind of a bechamel. Maybe I'll show you on another video how to make bechamel, straight bechamel with butter. But this is a bechamel. We're going to be making it with bacon fat. Now, if you like onions or something like that, you can saute onions in this, or whatever you want to do. It's your house. But this is just the real basic one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend these sausages up in the crumbles while that fat is melting. So let me just zap them so I can throw them in here. So we're just going to zap them real fast. A little bit more than that. Okay, that's about the consistency you want right there. All right, okay, back to making the roux. Add a couple of tablespoons of flour to this fat that you already have. A little more than that. You kind of have to use bacon fat for this. You can't use butter. Even though butter's a good thing to make a roux with, you want to use the bacon fat because this isn't healthy and it just makes it taste so much better. That's about the flour. And this is the kind of light roux we want. We want a light, fluffy, airy roux. And we want to add hot milk to this. So I microwave my milk. I got 2 cups of hot milk. We're going to add this a little at a time. And then just continue to whip this. Whip, 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 whip. Get all the fat incorporated with the milk. As soon as it starts boiling, it'll get a little thicker. We're going to add a shot of Tabasco or whatever cover sauce you like. A good pinch of salt. And now, once it starts boiling like this, you want to lower the fire to low. You want it to simmer a little bit. A good shot of salt. A good crack of black pepper. About a capful of Worcestershire sauce. So, literally, it's just a capful right there. And see how nice and thick that's getting? The Worcestershire does 2 things. It makes it a little brown and gives it some good flavor. Add that sausage in. Lower it down to low, 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 low. Lost some sausage. Don't want to waste any of that. Cover it up. Let it simmer for about just like 2 or 3, 4 minutes, and then it'll be ready. So it's been simmering for about 3, 4 minutes. My biscuits are almost done. I'm going to give it a taste test. It's really rich. The salt is there. I need a little more spice in it. Yeah, that's up to you. If you like it super spicy, you can add a lot of different things. Cayenne pepper, white pepper, more black pepper. more Tabasco or whatever sauce you like. Kind of took on a little bit of a red sheen from all the spices, but this is just for me, not for anybody else. Now it's got a little bit of a kick. That's good. I'm gonna call it done. Let's check on those biscuits. So let's check on those biscuits. They look good. It's been about 15 minutes. Now if you want, let me hold on, change the camera. So I'm just gonna pop these on a plate. Just a couple of them, see they don't stick. If you have a good cast pan, they won't stick. There's a couple of biscuits. Let's see, they're nice. If you open them up, they're nice and flaky. See how flaky that is? See, you got the nice flakes in there. Plate this up like this. Get some of the sausage gravy. No, I'm not going to be shy. Little sausage gravy on top. A couple of eggs here. Let's help these eggs out a little bit. Oh shucks. Oh well. It did a flop. There we go. On top. Biscuits and gravy. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you for watching so much. God bless. Have a wonderful day.